In this video, we're gonna cover 40 plus super cool accessory for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, ranging anywhere from exterior, interior, lighting, cool apps, and so many other accessories. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shiva Sapkota, engineer out here in Colorado, USA. I make mainly Tesla video, doing detailed installations and reviews, as well as cover a wide range of other Tesla topics, mainly for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. If you like what you see here today, please consider being a channel subscriber so you don't miss any of my future videos. All the accessories featured in this video can be found in the description of this video. When you click on the description, you will find the product, the installation guide, and any relevant discount code for each of these products. Let's first cover the exterior accessories and we'll move on to other categories. First of all, we have the automatic power frunk. This accessory allows you to not only fully open your frunk, but also close it using the app or the internal car controls. As you are aware, Model 3 and Y do not come with power frunk. So when you open the frunk, you still have to manually lift it up and manually close it. This power frunk accessory comes in handy, especially for a true hands-free environment. This is also great if you prefer to not have handprints. I have a detailed step-by-step installation video in my channel and I'll provide a link down below. Next, we have the Eagle Eye tail light. These lights are a big upgrade to the stock Tesla tail light. These lights are exact retrofit to the original lights and the installation is practically a plug and play with wire routing. In addition to providing extra safety of having a dedicated turn signal different from the brake lights, these lights also make your car really stand out. They have a cool startup animation and are much brighter than the stock lights. These lights have a smoky look and just add to the sporty aesthetics of the car in my opinion. Finally, these Eagle Eye lights are LEDs compared to the stock halogen lights. Moving on, we have this new lower light with built-in turn signal. Both Model 3 and Y just have reflectors on the spots, and these upgraded lights are not only fully functional but also provide quite a bit of more visibility. The installation is straightforward and plugs directly to the stock headlights. If you have the Eagle Eye tail light upgrade, these lower lights also provide cool startup animation. In general, you now have an extra turn signal indicator that adds to the safety of the car and also make it look really cool. I will have a detailed installation video on this light very soon in my channel. Next, in the exterior upgrade, we have the automatic power trunk with kick sensor. If you have a 2021 Model 3 or any Model Y, you don't need the power struts as your car already came with some. However, you can still install the kick sensor for a true hands-free experience. For the older Model 3s without the stock lifts, this is a great upgrade. You can not only automatically open the trunk but also automatically close it using your foot, app, or the center screen. This is especially handy for grocery shopping when both your hands are full. I will soon have a detailed installation guide on how to install the power trunk as well as the foot sensor. If you are tired of people slamming your doors or not closing them all the way, you're going to love the next accessory. This soft door close modification will automatically close your door without needing to use any force. You just gently push the door and it will automatically latch and close it for you. I will also have another detailed installation video on this product here in my channel very soon. Moving on to some of the smaller upgrades, we have this rear carbon fiber spoiler. I'm not sure if it adds any performance to the car, but it for sure looks pretty cool. The installation was really easy using the 3M adhesive and has been holding up strong even after driving in rain, sun, wind, and snow. These wheel bands protect your rims from curb rash and also help you hide the curb rash. The installation is really easy and they also add aesthetics to your car. This performance caliper covers add cool effects to your car and also provide other benefits such as heat dissipation and performance enhancement. The installation requires removing the wheel, but I do have a detailed installation video on how to do that. As a last item on the exterior accessories, we have these mud flaps. These really do help protect your paint and make cleaning the car much easier. I highly recommend this for folks who live in snowy areas where they use salt to melt the ice. Now let's move on to the internal accessories. First, we have the Yoke Steering wheel upgrade. The installation is quite easy and everything is plug and play. The Yoke not only adds a futuristic look to your Tesla Model 3 and Y, like the Model S Plaid, it is also really easy to drive with. As I said in my installation video, I was a little hesitant in the beginning, but after having this installed for more than 2 months now, I really love it and don't see myself going back to the original steering wheel. It has the same functionality of the original steering wheel and has the stock airbag. You don't have to worry about removing any of the buttons or anything because it comes with all the connections that you need. Next, we have the instrument cluster display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This display provides a lot of critical car information right in front of your eyes and also has a front bumper camera for added safety. This camera automatically turns on where there is a front obstacle detected and helps you protect your bumper from smaller obstacles and parking blocks. The display is easy to install with an exception to a difficult OBD plug that you have to access under the glove box. This display comes with a regular software updates and customization features. I have a detailed step-by-step guide on how to install this display. A lot of you actually found my channel because of that video, which due to your support has over 335,000 views as I'm making this video. Similar to the rectangular display, I also feature this circular Topfit display in my channel. This display doesn't have all the added feature like CarPlay or Android Auto like the rectangular hand show display, but this one does show critical car information directly in front of you. It has HD graphics, software update capability, and the installation is fairly straightforward, again, with an exception to that OBD plug. It installs directly on the steering wheel panel, and the height of this display can be adjusted with the steering wheel height. I have a detailed installation guide and another one of my video that has done really well thanks to all of your support. Next, we have the screen swivel with an OEM look. This accessory allows you to have your screen swivel left and right and looks like it originally came with the car. This rotating capability makes the center screen more pointed towards the driver, allowing you to see information like the maps on your screen a little bit closer. You do have to remove the center screen for this installation, but don't worry, I have a detailed step-by-step guide linked in the description of this video. It really adds to the aesthetic of your car and just looks futuristic, robotic, and now your passengers can also see the display a little bit better in the front. Let's talk about some of the interior lighting upgrades. First, we have this front Footwell lights upgraded to brighter blue. These are really easy to install. Next, we have the rear lights installed in blue as well. This LEDs add so much extra light to the rear footwell, and this can be controlled using the center screen. You just install these lights under the driver and passenger seat and really makes your car stand out at night. With the added capability of being able to adjust the brightness up and down, this is a really cool addition and definitely something that I get complimented on. We also have these center console lights that can be controlled using the app. You can change colors, pattern, and adjust brightness. We then have these side door lights that not only look super cool, but also add safety to your car. These lights are bright and really visible when you open the doors. I have been in situations where a biker, pedestrians, or other cars didn't realize my doors were open at night and came a little closer to my car. These safety lights make your car door visible from really far away. The installation is super easy too, and it really makes your car stand out. Every time you open the door, this bright light illuminates and makes you very visible. We also have this cool puddle lights with Tesla logo, or if you like regular bright blue lights instead of a logo, then you also have that option, and the installation is really easy. Let's now cover some phone accessories for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. This new accessory that installed on the steering wheel column is fantastic for many reasons. First, it is completely wireless, no visible wires of any sort, and all of your USB ports are free. Second, it allows you to have your phone in a visible location, especially if you're using navigation on your phone for regular purposes, or if you drive for ride-sharing services, then you absolutely have to have your phone right next to you. This mount eliminates the need of those windshield mounts, and best of all, it doesn't take any extra real estate of your car. This looks very futuristic. It is a one-hand operation where you can remove your phone and put it back, and it wirelessly charges your phone. Next, we have the 480 mount with wireless charging from JEDA. This mount installed on the back of the center screen and allows you to have your phone nearby for all the reasons I have just described earlier. This mount can swivel left and right, so the 480-degree bend, and is quite strong and holds up really well. Similar to the 480 mount, we have the hidden foldaway mount with MagSafe charging. You can also get the non-MagSafe version from JEDA. Not only this mount allows you to have your passengers charge their phone, but it also hides when not in use. If you like a more integrated phone mount with a hidden sunglass holder, check this one out. It has a motorized phone clamp, slides directly to the center screen, and has a wireless phone charging capability. Next, we have the wireless charger with built-in Sentry mode and dashcam feature. These wireless chargers allow you to charge your large phones horizontally, so already an upgrade from Tesla. But it also has a SD card slot for Sentry mode recordings. With this charger, you can free up some USB space by not needing to plug in a flash drive for Sentry mode and dashcam, and it works really well. Speaking of freeing up space, I also recommend this JEDA hub and SSD combo. This hub plugs directly into the USB port on your central console and has this SSD drive that snaps into place, decluttering your space. It also has safety features as the SSD drive is hidden and not really visible. Finally, we have this JEDA wireless tray that helps you declutter more space while allowing you to charge more devices. This tray has a place for your sunglasses, can charge your Apple Watch and earbuds while still having more storage in the center console. Now let's move on to some of the interior car protection accessories. I would highly recommend the center screen protector for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. You never know when something will crack your screen. This one we have is a matte screen protector that prevents glare and provides safety to the screen. I also recommend a central console wrap for older Tesla Model 3s and Model Y. The central console seems to get really dirty very easily. We have a dash protector, which in addition to protecting a wood panel, also hides the wood panel if you don't like the wood finish. We have this door sill protector that really helps get rid of dirt smudge and protect your door sills. These are carbon fiber finish and make your car interior stand out. The installation is easy with 3M adhesive, and they have held up quite well for several months now with different weather conditions. Continuing with the interior protection theme, we have this all-weather floor mat. These mats fit in the interior very precisely and cover the whole floor. Cleaning up is super easy and doesn't have that weird plastic smell that we find with other mats. These mats have anti-skid protection and overall go with the interior of the car. We also have this side door protection inserts. This helps protect the door pockets, and cleaning them is quite easy. We then have the cup holder insert, which covers the entire cup holder area and makes cleaning up super easy. Finally, we have this performance brake, acceleration, and footrest pad that give your car a more of a premium look and provide some protection to those parts as well. Let's move on to some of the charging accessories. First, we have this charging box that allows you to install Tesla charger inside or outside and locks the charging cord when not in use. This box is waterproof and looks really cool. I definitely plan on using this box when I get my Cybertruck and have to install an exterior charging solution. We then have this charging cable organizer. This installs on your garage wall and really helps declutter the charging cable. No more cable in the floor. Let's move on to some of the cleaning items for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. I highly recommend a pressure washer for your Tesla. I wouldn't take it to a car wash. I normally use this snow foam soap to soak the car and then rinse it afterwards. Make sure to have good microfiber towels and really take your time drying the car so that you don't get any swirl marks or scratches. I also recommend these seat cleaners. Don't use any harsh chemical on your Tesla, especially on your seat. Finally, I would recommend a small car vacuum cleaner that is wireless or that plugs into the 12-volt outlet. Let me end the video with these accessories that do not really fall into any of the other categories. This Cybertruck branded mini trash can that greatly helps keep your car clean. It has an automatic arm that goes up and down, so you don't have to really worry about opening and closing the lid. This tire compressor that powers from your 12-volt outlet is always handy when you get that tire pressure warning on the road. The OptiWatt app that saves you on charging cost. I have a detailed video on how to sign up, what it does. This is a really cool app where it saves you a lot of money on charging costs, especially if you have an peak charging rate where you can take advantage of it by charging your car overnight, but then it could get tricky on when you charge. So I have a detailed video explaining how this app just saves you a lot of time and money. This tray that comes in handy for multiple purposes in your car. It could be for eating, it could hold a laptop. It's just a really awesome accessory. This hidden storage pocket that you can install under your armrest to store confidential documents such as vehicle registration. And finally, this air mattress that can ease your Tesla camping trip. Comes with a drink holder and individually inflatable quadrants to really optimize the space. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below what your favorite accessories are out of everything that I have covered here in the channel. I also have super cool, new, and exciting accessories coming here in the channel, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos as well in the near future. Thank you all for your continued support to my channel. I'll see you soon on my next Tesla video. Namaste.